Hi everyone, my name is Damien. I am one of the managers here at Calhua Tutor, and today I'm going to show you how to teach your student to learn the 2, 3, and 7 table. Basically there's no tricks here, but I'm going to show you some tips using the 1, 5, and 10 tips so that you can help your student learn these 3 tables quickly. So first of all, usually before I teach my student, like multiply and skip count, I usually ask them to memorize the 1, 5, 10 tricks. So for example, let's say for the 2 table, you would do 2 times 1 is 2. You have to write it down on the paper so your student can follow, okay? And then you're gonna write 2 times 5 equal to 10. Then you're gonna do 2 times 10 equal to 20. And make sure your student have to memorize these three equations here, okay? So I would just quickly ask them, hey, what's 2 times 1? Okay, what is 2 times 10? What is 2 times 5? Make sure they memorize these things, okay? So there's no shortcut, just memorize it. So the next thing is gonna add the next number. So let's say 2 times 2. So this is where skip count come in, right? You're gonna ask them, what is 2 times 1 again? And your student gonna say 2, right? So because it's a 2 table, you're gonna skip count by 2. That means you're gonna add 2 to get the next number. So that'd be a 4 here. Okay? So next one would be 2 times 3. You're gonna ask what is 2 times 1? They're gonna say 2, and then you go up by 1. So 2 times 2, you're gonna skip count by 2. So that's gonna be 4. And then what is 2 times 3? You're gonna skip count by 2 again. That's gonna be 6. And your student should be able to do the counting, using their finger, add 2, okay? I don't ask them to do it in their head, I think using finger would be the best. Then 2 times 3, because because 2 times 3 is 6, you add 2 more, 7, 8. 4, that's an 8 here. Now, let's jump to 2 times 6 here. Your student probably gonna forget, 2 times 1, 2 times 5, 2 times 10 by now, so you're gonna quiz them again. What is 2 times 10 again? They're gonna say 20. 2 times 5, okay, 10. So if they still remember 1, 5, and 10, they should be good. So the next thing is 2 times 6, you're gonna skip count by 2 again, right? The rule here, skip count by 2. So your student should be able to know that this is gonna be 12. And continue doing that for 2 times 7, 2 times 8, and 2 times 9. Okay, by skip count, just using the finger. The same thing for the 3 table. So the first thing would be just write down the 1, 5, and 10 tricks. Make sure they memorize this, okay? So there's no shortcut there. And then jump to, okay, so how about 3 times 6 here? Because this is a 3 table, you're gonna skip count by 3, okay? So make sure that your students see this. So that'd be 15 plus 3, 16, 17, 18. Just use finger. Okay? 3 times 7. So you got 3 times 6, 18. Add more, 3 more. 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay? And do the same thing for the 7 table. So I want you to try this with your student. Okay? Just write out. Okay, make sure they memorize these 3, and then using skip count. Now this time they're gonna have to add by 7, and they can use their finger to add 7. Okay, so that is the most effective way that I think the student easy to remember instead of use thinking in the head like how to add 7. So there you go. Your student should be able to learn the 2, 3, 7 using the 1, 5, and 10 tricks. And Francesco will follow up with this lesson. With the next lesson plan. Thank you.